video on calibrating the Xhorse key machines, Condor, Condor Mini, Dolphin, etc. So if you go to the main strain, they want you to make sure that the height of your probe and cutter are the same, which means you shove them all the way up in there and tighten them down. And then the cutting calibration, you choose the cutter diameter, which this is a 1.5, and then okay. It'll cut some on this key for calibration. Again, confirm the probe and the cutter are the same height. Clamp N5, number A, and then insert a blank Honda key, and now it's going to do its thing. If you'll look right here, the left side is cut and the right side is just barely cut. So this is normal. At this point, you are fully calibrated. And then you continue. And it's going to do some more measuring. And that is complete.